Hey, you in sales, a closer, but tired of making money for other people? If so, how about a business opportunity with real income of $100,000 or more per year? It's a fact. Millions of Americans have an IRS tax problem, and as a Fed Tax Relief sales affiliate, you can now own your own business and make money off helping people resolve tax issues. Grab a pen and take down this number or store it in your cell phone, but call 1-800-652-7313. That's 1-800-652-7313. Fed Tax Relief has a proven sales and marketing affiliate program that includes radio and TV advertising, sales scripting, lead CRM, call center support, and a team of tax professionals ready to work for you. Startup costs are minimal, and you can work in an office or home, days or evenings, full or part-time. Heck, even stay-at-home moms can do this simple-to-use sales program. This year, stop thinking about making more money and actually do it as a Fed Tax Relief sales affiliate. For free info, call 1-800-652-7313. That's 1-800-652-7313. Fed Tax Relief is not a government agency, and all investments include risk.